So in this presentation we're going to talk about the easiness of switching from a Windows-based PC to a Linux-based PC. Really the hard part about doing this is actually choosing which distribution you want to use. There's several distributions out there, um, and you want to find one that fits you and what you're using the computer for. Um, you can go to each one of the websites. It's very easy to find. Just go to Google, search Linux distributions, and it will pop up websites that have multiple distributions. Uh, the popular ones are Ubuntu, Mint, Cent, and Debian. Mint has got the easiest feel for Windows users to switch over. Your maximize, minimize, um, and close buttons are all in the same area, and it kind of revolves around the start button down at the bottom. Although the menus do look different, it's got the same setup. The most popular distribution is the Ubuntu distribution, and it is catching on mainstream now. So for this, we're going to show you how to use or how to get the Ubuntu distribution and how to install it on your PC. And really, the only reason that I even chose it is that it's the most popular Linux distribution there is. So your first step in the Ubuntu install is to go to their website. The link is included there. You want to get the latest LTS edition for the software. Currently, it's 14.04 LTS, and all the long-term support is that it's going to have most of your hardware drivers available in it, um, and they're going to give you support with the product up to 2019 right now with this particular distribution. Second step, you want to choose the location where to save the ISO. You can do it default and let it just go into the downloads, or the easiest place to do it is to place it on your desktop where you can grab it and get to it real easy. Step 3, from the file manager or your desktop, well, wherever you've got it at, you need to right click the ISO download image. And if you're using Windows 2007 or up, it's going to allow you to right click and say burn disk image. To do this, you want to make sure that you've got a CDRW or a CDR in the disk reader or writer on your computer. Step 4. Once you've got the burn complete, you want to restart your computer and tell it to boot from the CD. When prompted, go ahead and select Try Ubuntu. This will boot to the home screen of Ubuntu. It'll take a couple minutes to do it, but it will not install it onto your system. This allows you to kind of take a test drive of it and see how you like it, familiarize yourself with how it works, and kind of get to learn it a little better before you actually make a commitment. After experimenting, you can decide to install it. It's really easy. Right there on the desktop, they're going to have the install Ubuntu icon. Go ahead and click on it, and it's going to take you through the steps on how to replace it or how to install it. So once it starts the install, you're going to follow the on-screen instructions to set up your system. It will ask you what language you want to set it up in, if you want to run it alongside with the Windows distribution, or if you want to replace it, and it will also have you set up partitions. But these are all on-screen directions, and you can just go through clicking next and go through your default. But once you've completed that and the install is complete, it's going to ask you to restart. And the last step is enjoy. It's highly personalized or personalizable. You can do a lot of different things with it and make it look completely different than what you would see, say, there on the left versus what's on the right there. It's a very open and fluid OS. I think you'll enjoy it.